Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lindy, this is Lindiorslife, and you're back for another one, as you should know, okay? And today we have another half wig hairstyle. I already did this style and I already did this style, but now I'm gonna do this style. I just go on Pinterest for these hairstyles, or like if I see something on TikTok, but I feel like TikTok, a lot of the girls are doing the style that I already did. So I'm trying to do some different fun stuff. So I washed my hair. I'm looking at the girl. So hers started kind of like temple. She go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I'm gonna do one like along the band of the half wig just to like tie it all together, because I'm not gonna have any leave out. And it looks like she has leave out in this picture. So we're gonna start here. And I just need to do a line of demarcation. What's gonna be annoying about this one is I think I'm gonna have to like part it all out first before I actually braid it.
No sir, 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 no sir. No make back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause be my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer.
All right, I got the 4 parted out. I don't know if they look that good, but I don't care. Now I'm gonna go in with the Shine and Jam and clean up my part and then start the braid. Try. The part ain't clean at all, but that's okay. We'll get it clean. So start here. And you gotta put gel at the base of both sides, because that's the only way you get that clean braid for real. Or at least that's what I think. That's what I'm going with. I feel like that was just a decent braid, but
Baby, tell me what I can do to make it better. Ice got me shivering and I'm wearing a sweater. Moving on the P's and getting G's vector. She's so put you on a shirt, yes sir. Hey, no sir. Back 7 father, but I'm getting closer. He killed his mama for a little exposure. And he left her body where the fucking crows were. Hey, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes, 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 sir, yes sir. Yes sir. She be trying to smoke and every time I be big worm. Hardcore was heartburn. She trying to see what terms he on. I start talking out of term. You can't give me brain, but I can't even learn. Did it while I'm driving, I can't even turn. Lawyer so good, I found my law firm. Every time he beat the case, well done. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. We'll put you on a stretcher. This bitch 5,000, I'm crying on my sweater.
my sister, Christ. Honestly, I'm not going to be doing anything to the back of my head. I'm just gonna cover it. And it'll be fine, hopefully. So it has the clips. You literally just clippy on. I'm gonna go right behind the hairline. I mean, right behind the braid, so it's hidden. It also has a drawstring, and it comes with a couple bands as well. So you have options as far as like what you want to do with this wig. I really like it so far. So I'm just clipping. Let me find, oh, there we go. Honestly, it probably would have been smart for me. Oh, I don't think I did it straight. Ugh. And I'm actually going to put a braid for it to stick onto, because I don't know why I didn't think to do that at first.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a few. Later, baby, be the baby, be the cause I'm a cigarette, and I'm a smoker. We raise the back, we're a joker, treat job. We want a joke, and I can be the blackboard, you can be the top, and I can be the one. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, got faith in my eyes, pretty little hand. Even when we're down to the wire, babe, even when you are down, we can do it better, safe on the train. This love is a show.
Okay, I think this is it. Most of the braids are like hidden, but the gist is there. I'm about to get the little bit of edge control I got and do my edges. I need to get back to the edge control that works better for me. This one just picked up from the store and it's not that strong. She's not that strong, but you know. Job finished, job done. Alright y'all, this is the final look. This is the hairstyle with the half wig on top, just tucked right behind the braid. And I think it's cute. Is it my favorite one? No, I think the one I did right before this one was my favorite one, but this will do. This is fun. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll have your girl down in the DMs, you know, the comment section, and let me know how you feel about this look. Bye.
Let this mat flow. This one, hold on. I say I'm gonna let it. Alright, come on. Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee. I had a thought. She be with this shit. She told me where he be. I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know. Just put your girl.